The Audi Q5 FY with the DCPC engine code uses a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel producing 210 kilowatts and 620 newton-meters, fitted to second-generation Q5 models from 2017 to 2020. This engine uses common rail injection and a VGT turbo, paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch and Quattro AWD. Known for strong, smooth performance, the 3.0 TDI is generally reliable but requires proper servicing. It runs a timing chain system, though tensioners can become weak with age. Oil capacity is about 6.1 liters, and it must use VW-approved low-ash synthetic oil, VW 50400-50700. Common issues include oil leaks from aging seals, DPF clogging from frequent short trips, and occasional injector faults. When maintained correctly, it delivers refined power and excellent long-distance performance.